We are the force of over 20 years' experience in the development of high-impact investment projects. Experts in due diligence, procedure processes, architectural design, preliminary studies, dirt roads, special foundations, manufacturing and assembly of heavy metal structures, project management and engineering, electric engineering, mechanical engineering, building, industrial installation, estate development, and implementation. Each element of our team is highly qualified and is kept in constant training and certifications. This enables us to develop projects in the automotive industry, aeronautical, agricultural, renowned educational projects, sports, industrial, commercial, and vertical edification. Forget about turnkey project. Torus delivers your project right on track. We innovate through excellence in project management and security attention, hygiene and care of the environment to generate more human works. Every stroke, every design, every creation. It means the compromise to give pride to our clients through the excellence of a work worthy of representing its brand. We've made our own the future of construction. We've shared with our clients the importance of being at the lead in the quest for a better world. Trust in us and be certain that we'll be here with you from the conceptualization of the project until your project is right on track. Torus, leaders on integral construction.